Well, hi, I'm Jay Arthur, author of Lean Six Sigma for Hospitals and QI Macros. Back in the 1990s, when I was first getting involved with quality, I went to one of Deming's 4-day seminars. And somewhere in there, somebody asked him about total quality management. And Deming said, I have no idea where the word total came from. That's just wrong. It's quality management. You manage the things that need to be managed, not everything, right? And if you think about Pareto's rule, the 80-20 rule, 20% is causing the problem. If you think about my 450 rule, you narrow that way down. 4% of what you're doing is producing over half the mistakes and errors. That's not total quality. We just need to manage the 4% that's really eating our lunch. So stop thinking about Six Sigma as something that has to be done everywhere, all the time by everyone, and everybody has to be trained, and that's a giant waste of time and energy. Narrow your focus, fix what's really broken. Worst first, then the next worst, then the next works, then the next works, and eventually everything smooths out. That's my improvement insight. Let's go out and improve something this week.